Phone test message number 28.
SPD is part of today. It's the modern, fast way to make trunk calls.
The Hawthorn Telephone Exchange, the venue of the Telstra Museum. We'll have a look inside.
They're the modern ones. These are very, very rare. They're getting rarer. Because they had links in them as well. Mm-hmm. Like, you could isolate the circuit.
Okay, yeah.
And that is a cable which comes from the street, which is what you see here.
Yep.
You see the bundles of the cable?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
100 pair? That's what that is, but that's underneath you. That's a 100 type pillar.
These were all finite. So previously, if you had a special event like Mother's Day or Christmas, New Year, you'd get extremes of traffic and you wouldn't be able to get through. Phone competitions, bushfires, all those sort of good and bad events that can happen. These days, it's called a non-blocking network because it's all in an IP cloud. There is no congestion as it used to be called. So the only thing that limits you having a successful call is the ability of the other end to answer your call. So if you're calling for a radio competition, they might have 10 lines open. Does it get 10,000 calls? So obviously only 10 are going to go through. The older blocks are only 25 services to a block, and they're different. The reason they're different is these relate to when we had open wires. You may remember telephone poles with wires on them, and to protect both the equipment and the customer, they had fuses in them because being open wire, they were susceptible to lightning strikes. These have all been revised.
Murray.
Yes. So this one will stay actually because there is an NBN node here. So this is a major NBN exchange. On one fibre, thinner than a human hair, they're made of the purest form of glass. But on one fibre, they're now getting in excess of 100,000 simultaneous connections. Just incredible. West Coast America, up through Virginia to Japan, round through the Middle East to England.
Any of those networks, we used to use some Morse code, and there was sound. You had some dots and dashes. Wonderful.
You don't get backspaces.
No, you don't. And it takes a while to get used to. That was the trouble back into one.
We'll even give you a little bit of paper that shows you what Morse code is. A dot and a dash is an A, a B is a dash and 3 dots, and so on and so on. And this is your name, and this is how Morse code works. Very good.
Thank you so much.
Little clicks.
Yeah. Oh, very good. Thanks.
Let's go.
I like to leave it.
Type your name in here, and you get to listen to your name.
Thank you.
And his colleague, and he'll take you through the rest.
And from then on, it always makes sense to have it all together. That's why the phones have evolved towards.
And I remember on the American TV show.
Info phone test message number 28.
This is so back then talk to the person, so you call me. And it worked in the history there. Yeah, well, that would have been.
I mean, it certainly is remarkable.
Give it for the grandkids, really, but it worked. An array of all in the back. Yes, ask me a couple of other questions. It's just an ordinary telephone. It's got a big power supply. The power supply has got about an hour's worth of battery left on master. One big one, huge damn things. These are some of the cables. The Indian National
At the third stroke,
So they changed
it will be
it.
10, 41 and 10 seconds.
This
At the third stroke, it will be 10, 44 and 50 seconds. STD is part of today. It's the modern, fast way to make trunk calls. That is the new STD tone. You will hear this distinctive tone for 2 seconds when you make an STD call. There is no charge while the tone is on. This tone continues for 2 seconds after the STD number you have called answers. Here's the way it works. When you hear the STD tone, you know you'll be charged at the trunk call rate, and you know you'll be charged only for the time you call. Make it a habit to look up the area code you want and dial direct.
circuit board, if a circuit board goes
Sometimes since we have the dial.
one person will take the phone, if you call, go to Hawthorne, the next thing you say, oh, go to the S4.
Telstra.